Now we can add the floor finish. So here at the first floor, let's select floor and change this to a generic floor. Edit the type, duplicate it. Let's name it 15 mm VCT. Click OK. So vinyl, let's edit, change the thickness to 15 and change this to vinyl composition tile. Click OK and click OK. Now you can use the pick walls again to select the walls that will define the perimeter of your floor. Now try not to add a floor on two separate rooms. It's best practice to do it room by room. Okay, so let's trim TR here to there, here to there, and here to there. Now, another thing that you would like to take note is the thickness of your material. So this is a 15 mm vinyl composition tile. You want to add a height offset to this level. Otherwise, you will encounter an error because the VCT will overlap your concrete slab. So you can try that and look at the error. It's as if you're scraping off the concrete slab to make way for the VCT finish. So to avoid that, simply type the thickness of the floor here, 15, apply that, and click OK. Yeah, we don't want to attach any of the walls here, and then just say the floor's roof overlap would like to join geometry, no need, and click OK. Now you can always look at the section and check your finish. Change this to fine detail. Now notice that the gypsum board or the tile goes under the gypsum board. So in terms of construction, normally you will have your stud and then your tile and then your gypsum. But it could also be, and it's not wrong, you'll have your gypsum go straight down to the floor slab. I've seen some contractors do that. So if you want to draw it correctly, it would be nice to coordinate with your contractor or specify it so that the contractor will do it the way you want it done. So for now, placing your tile straight to the stud is good practice. Okay, let's go back to our first floor and do the same for this. Well, can I mirror it? Let's try, right? So tab, tab. Now, is it the same dimension? I think so. Let's try mirroring it. Okay, mirror. Okay, looks like it's right where I need it, so that's okay. Otherwise, it's of course better to place it using the floor method and defining the perimeter. Like for example, this one here, you cannot do a mirror for this particular washroom. So again, for that, simply go to floor. Okay. You can also use the I think I prefer the pick walls so that it will go to the structure. So just pick wall. The direction of the floor doesn't matter at this point. So again, you want to do it one room at a time. So you want to move this here and then use the trim command, TR, to trim the corners. Now, if you want to, let's say, add the tiles here, then you can edit it to include that to the areas you're going to add VCT finish. If you want, let's say, your finish for the warehouse to end here, then this is fine. So it's up to you. You can always edit the boundary. Okay, click OK. Don't attach. No need to join. Okay, and then finally, let's do the last. Floor, pick walls, trim, TR. Double check and click OK. Don't attach, no need to join. Okay, let's check first the section for this room. Okay, nice and nice. Let's go back to the first floor and let's also do that. Move our section. Oops. Okay. Accidentally remove my section head. Double click and looks like we're good. So if you can add a floor finish to the washrooms, definitely you can add floor finishes to all your other rooms with varying thickness. Now let's go here and add the floor finish to the second floor. Again, do it room by room. You don't want to place your VCT under the stud. That's not how it is constructed. Okay, so TR, this is good. Okay, but I do need to move this. Let's just trim it for now. Okay, and then just select this and move it to the other side. Oops. Zoom in. And click OK. Let's move this out. Okay, and I think we're good. Click OK. Here I forgot to place the 15 mm, right? So it's just saying that it's overlapping. Would you like to join geometry? I'll just say no, not join. Do not join, but just to show you what happened, click outside. Oops, click outside. Double click on the section. second floor. Is it here? I thought this one overlapped. Nope, we do have the height offset. Some reason something overlapped, but that's okay. I guess it overlapped our walls. So we can tab. Yeah, maybe it's the wall. I should have read it more carefully. Okay, let's do that one last time. Floor. We do have that 15 millimeter offset, so we're good. Pick walls. TR. Trim the corners. And move this. Looks good. Yeah. So it depends on where you're going to place your finished floor. Is it after you have placed your uh, core material for the wall? Is it after you place this finished material? So maybe after. So we can always move that. Maybe before the gypsum. Okay, similarly, I guess we can place that here before, or sorry, before the gypsum is installed. Okay, so move a little closer that, and we're good. Cut, no, and we're good. Look at it in section for good measure. Click outside, double click the section head, and looks like we are, oops, we are good. Yeah, there's a column inside our washroom, so that's okay for now. So that's how you add your floors. So you can add the floors for the rest of the building, for the warehouse. For the second floor, you will be adding the different rooms like boardrooms and other office rooms here, and likewise at the ground floor.